Hello, it's Cheryl here. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this look with Urban Decay's Naked Heat palette. So I already primed my face with the GLAMGLOW Glowstarter. And then I'm gonna apply ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light 12. This one is almost gone. It's very well loved. I'm gonna put it under my eye and on my forehead and next to my nose. I like to apply on the eyelid a little bit as like eye concealer. A little bit here, dark spot, and a little bit on the chin. Okay. I like to go back in and apply one more time on my dark spots. I'm not gonna apply foundation for this look just because I think the concealer did a pretty good job. I am just gonna use the bareMinerals to set my face. Just gonna apply under my eye, my nose, and a little bit on the eyelid part. After I'm done with my face, I like to do my eyebrows first. So starting by brushing them out, I use Skinfood chocolate eyebrow powder cake. And I also use the Shiseido eyebrow pencil to shape my eyebrow to make it more defined. And I go back in with the powder. Alright, my eyebrows are done. It's okay if they're not identical. I learned that they're meant to be sisters and not twins. I am finally gonna dig into my Naked Heat palette from Urban Decay. This is by far my favorite. Look how beautiful the color looks. Using the brush from the palette, I'm gonna use this flattened side to use this color and apply to my lid, my entire lid, and brow bones as well. And then I'm gonna use my own brush and use the color Sauce, this one right here. It's powdery, and just apply gently on my eyelid and start to build the color. And then I'm going to apply this color on my lid. I'm just gonna use my finger. Dirty Talk, and just apply it on the edge of my eyes. And then I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna go back in with this color to blend it out. I'm gonna mix this one and this one for underneath my eyes. A cotton swab to clean it up a little. And I'm gonna go back to the shimmery color, this one over here, with my finger and just to apply a little bit more in the middle of my eyelid. Now my eyeshadows are pretty much done. Moving on to bronzer. I am using Physicians Formula. I'm going to apply it on my nose bridge. And then contour the side of my face. And my chin. My forehead. For blush, I'm gonna use Tarte in the shade Paaarty. I like to bring it to my nose bridge just a little bit. And then use my beauty blender. Next, I'm going to use BECCA's highlight in the shade Opal. A little bit on my forehead and drag it down to my nose bridge, on my cupid's bow, my chin, a little bit on my brow bone. Okay. Alright, we're almost done. And for my eyelashes, I am going to curl them first. Oh wait, and I forgot. Another highlight I use is from ColourPop. It's actually not a highlighter, it's a eyeshadow, but I just use it as a highlighter. It's called Let Me Explain. I just apply it with my finger. Also, I use this tiny little angle brush to apply just a little bit in the middle of my waterline. This makes your eyes really pop, like really open up your eyes a little bit. Before I apply my mascara, I use Lancome's Cils Booster XL to make my eyelashes longer. And just gotta wait a little bit for it to dry before I apply mascara. For my mascara today, I'm going to use MAC's Extended Play Lash. I really like this one because the wand is super thin, so it makes it really easy for me to apply my little lashes. I do not have long lashes to begin with, so I really need a thin one to get into my lashes. So this is pretty much done. Sometimes I leave it like this, and sometimes I like to add a little bit of eyeliner using an eyeshadow. This shade right here. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, to set my face, I am using Makeup Forever's Mist and Fix. And I'm just gonna spray this all over my face. I usually apply my setting spray before applying my mascara just because sometimes it can get messy after you already put the mascara on. But today I just forgot about it, so I might just have to fix it with the Q-tip. Just gotta wait a little bit and let it dry. To finish off this look, I am using Physician Formula's liquid lipstick, and this is the shade All Natural Nude. This is one of my favorite liquid lipstick. It's matte finish, but it doesn't dry your lips. So this is the look. Let me go fix my crazy bangs. I'll be right back. I try my best. This seaweed kind of made it crazy and hard for me to fix, but that's okay. Our focus is on makeup today. Alright guys, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumb up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!